Hi everyone. So today let us visualize data matrices and the relationship among them with color intensity. In short, let's make a heat map plot. So when you have like a grid of numbers and you want to paint them with colors, you use a heat map plot. It's like a data visualization technique that uses color to represent values in a matrix format. So let's get started. I'll head over to my flows, click on new flow, give it a name, heat map plot, and you create the flow. Then head over to file manager to upload your data. I have chosen this cirrhosis file that I have and upload. Then head over to plot dashboard and click on create plot. Select heat map here and then this data that you uploaded and continue. Now you select x-axis as end days and let's say y-axis as drug. Select column as maybe bilirubin, and this one is optional but it's better you choose it. I'll take some and then click on create plot. You see we were able to create this heat map in just a few clicks. And that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And in case of any queries, do check out our documentation. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.